Hello, sir. My name is Savi Kumar. I am from Basti, Uttar Pradesh. I am pursuing diploma in computer science and engineering. I am interested in Linux and Python technology. I like think improve myself. Thank you, sir. What is AWS? AWS EC2 and pricing. EC2 you are pressing use and pay as pay using model. You pay only the times only the times use you solve in pressing solve option customization code EC2 pressing third options and first options on the demand and second option service and third options receive receiver models on the demand service service plan second and third receive interest and on demand service pay used which minutes and 60 second pay hours use bit on front bit cost sort and teamer and uppers in teamwork interest and you and run interest and you stop them. Second option saving plan consent to using plan 1 year and 3 years to undiscount to use pay using by commentant comment is valid in on valid demand times on demand times. Yeah, and receive insert third options and receive in concept 1 year and third year in single distance discount and giving in 3 years give in highest offer is modified and flexibility is and joins in insert size and within in the size the times same family is saving is saving plans and fourth option insert stop insert and fourth option stop inserts up to 90% to saving up to AWS. Express by come city best scalability and work then handles in interruptions and fifth option in dedicated options. The dedication option is pairing physical year fully discount to you most impressions option, but let interesting in software lessons. MySQL में what is a produce yeah, produce what is a produce storage procedure. A procedure in the is a production call and SQL the code the then code we solve and resource. If you then query the SQL that you write over again over save as is storage store and produce the then calls and then execute in the its ये storage is produce can also in parameters, so can be solved based the parameters, and that is press key is benefit in storage producer, and fourth option is storage producers, and first option producer is database management storage, and first options and first option is code is resourceability. The call sum in the pursued storage in the called version in the sum storage, and the second option in improve producer. Improve producer is called preparation importance, and pre important is run times, and database security and prevention in run times. You can set your user run times preparations. Speaker producer items in limit to product and direct limit access. Easy to maintenance, automatically is maintenance is and automatically in the update, automatically in the your same service and update in the it use all. What is the commitment MySQL? MySQL में commitment are the used in the MySQL explain MySQL is code in temporarily. Preemption is MySQL preemption code SQL. Commitment is great by commitment is agile to commitment by to database agents. MySQL support single line commitment and supported multi-line commitment. Request in the spell in the second run times and single line comments, and single line the comment and start and in the single line the comments. Any text the after end times, in the vigorous times. What is a while loop? While loop is a preemptive commands. First option while loop and second option for loops and with while loop is with can execute is the set execute of statement is log is condition is true. What is for loop? For loop is a a a for is a string over a space, that is a tuple directories. A our set in a string value. This is a life for loops. Keyword in other programming language, the other more and work more enter like any tutor methods. Find the other methods. In other method is organize programming language. With the for loops, we can execute in the statement in the list tuples. Set its looping a target in string. Even the thing event in sent requirement. The contents in space in the character space. The break statements. This the break statement in within stops. Stop the loop and break stopping. Looping the all the items. The continuous statement. With the continuous statement, we can the stops. The current the items the loops and the key content execute in next time. The range function with can range function to loop in the target a loop at the set the code specific in the items. You can be in the range functions. The range function is a run times space of number strings 0 by difficult in incorrect 1 by 1